Whoa.
What?
Just you being weird. But we all know I'm a giraffe. Like what? I'm recording. You want to come over?
No, not really. What are you recording?
I just put the camera up.
Yeah, toast! I'll be right back.
Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Okay, Timmy.
It landed right here.
What?
A raindrop landed. Right here. Right here.
Rude.
They got a view of your armpit.
What did you do? What did you do?
that? Who did that? It wasn't me.
Who was it? Who was it?
Timmy. Timmy! Leaves! Attack of the leaves.
Attack of the
killer leaves.
Like the birds?
Yeah. Instead of attack of killer tomatoes, attack of the killer leaves.
Birds will take over. Nick, you can say the same thing about class.
I love storms. Boy, Mac and the fly.
One strong bird swoops down, grabs you, takes you in the air. What are you doing when the bird lets go?
Falling.
Are you gonna land on a soft pillow or mat? No, you're smacking on the concrete. You're dead.
I don't know, but yeah, first. Sorry about your luck. Because even though they have a thing going up here,
It's still they're
going like
driving,
this.
so yeah, it'll come in.
this makes me really want fall. I love fall rain. You know?
Mhm.
Except I'm being gypped because it's 87 freaking degrees. Although in the past minute it's dropped 3 degrees.
Yeah.
Car.
3 degrees, 4 degrees is 88.
Oh, was it? When I was in it, it said 87.
Oh, look, that person right across the.
Sorry about it. Sorry about your luck.
Someone was running across the parking lot. Dude, I don't understand. Temperatures versus feels like temperatures. Like, why is it, if it feels like 100 degrees, why is it 100 degrees, you know?
Because the air temperature and what it feels like because of humidity is different. Or because of wind in the winter. When it's a wind chill,
Yeah.
it's the air temperature is one thing. But when you feel it in the wind, it makes it colder. Or humidity in the summer makes it hotter.
Yeah.
There's cars in front of them. That's how far back we are.
What temperature was it earlier?
88.
88.
In about, 3 minutes ago? 4 minutes ago? 5 minutes ago?
20 minutes ago? 50 years ago? I don't know.
No, since we've been in the car, though.
Yeah. Lainey. Hi. This is my favorite weather. It's the bestest weather, and nobody's allowed to debate.
I can see all of the trees around over there. Call Daddy and show him that. It's recording. I can't see him.
Look at those puddles.
Buzzing.
Like, look at, like, can you see? It's kind of like flooding. Do those people have their hazard lights on? The semi and stuff?
Yeah, probably because it's really raining heavy.
Yeah, it is raining really heavy.
That is
You
crazy.
can see it focus through the windshield.
That is crazy. When we get up to the McDonald's, I'm gonna call Daddy and show him.
Do you have any cash? Or
No.
like gray coins, silver coins?
No. I don't think so. Why?
Because I have,
Okay.
you got it.
I cannot see.
You got this, Mommy. Yes,
I can't
queen.
put it on any hot heavier. I can't see.
That's hail! Hail.
Alright, I'm just gonna stop here for a minute, you guys. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay.
Because I don't want to be.
Look at all those
I
cars
just
driving
couldn't
by.
see anything, you guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call Daddy.
Wow. It's calmed down so much. Like, we're parked at McDonald's. Oh. Hold on. What's this? I hear you. Oh, a severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, something like this for a thunderstorm? What? It's calm. Penny-sized hail. Yeah, we got hit with the penny-sized hail. And also this side's soaked, so my mom had to roll down her window because we were over at the little like intersection over by McDonald's. We had to turn and we got hit, hail, rain, wind, all blowing this way. So we tried to turn and it didn't work. So we quickly just like pulled as far over as we could and had our hazards on and stuff, but we couldn't see a single lick of a thing. Beep. 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 Good job, guys. This is the end.